Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial 3 different ways to delete an email on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, navigate to your inbox. And the purpose of this tutorial is to delete an email 3 different ways. So the first way is to go to the email itself you wish to delete. Right click. We can delete. So if we go to the deleted item section, that email will be there. Go back to your inbox. The second way is to hover over an email, click an email. We have the delete section on the top right corner of the email itself. So that's the second way. And the third way is to click the email. And on the toolbar on top, we have a delete button, which allows us to delete this item. So that's the third way. Now navigate to deleted items, and there we have it. Those 3 deleted emails have been deleted and now sit within the deleted items folder. We can recover this, but that's for another tutorial. Let's go back to inbox. Let's now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.